Hello everyone, my name is Suman Kumar Panigrahy and I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I have completed my 3 years of diploma in computer science engineering in 2021 and my age is 25. And after completing my diploma I was searching for a job and one of my friend is recommended to joining Evision. Evision is a great platform to build a career in IT industry, and after I joining Evision in 28th of April 2025, and now I got placed in team computers with a good package like 2.6 lakh per annum. And in this 45 of job internship, I will learning about like basic networking, virtualization, and like Windows Server, and Windows Administrator, ITIL, cyber security, all these SLA, service level agreement, and Office 365. All these topics are covered in the 45 days of job internship program. There are the environment of Envision is very good, and I suggest you all joining Evision to build your career like IT industry, and this is very good platform to build your career in IT industry. And the teacher and the all supported staff of Evision are very good, and the teaching method is also very good. They have teaching that like theory and all types of practical, and I recommended you to all of you join Evision, and thank you all the Evision team, and thank you like Ganesh sir, Amit sir, and Sanya ma'am, Shati ma'am, Priya ma'am, all of you. Thank you, madam. So join Evision, join job. Thank you so much.